Hi guys, okay, I am doing this for the second time, doing the intro for the second time because the first time I did the intro for this vlog was from my old camera and the audio sucks. I had to purchase a new camera just because the audio from that camera went super bad. I actually went to the repair shop and that Canon person serviceman told me that you have to actually, keep changing the cameras because they don't last super long. So I was like, yeah, whatever. This happened in March, by the way. So I was supposed to get a new camera in March itself, but that didn't happen because of the lockdown. Anyway, I kept using the camera, and up to last week when I shot a video where I was talking about something and it was just not audible. Like the voice was so bad, the background noise was more, and my voice was very less. So I couldn't even edit it in post. So I had to cut that entire clip and all. So that's why I decided I need to get a new camera. Also, I'm like super sorry for again not being active here on YouTube, and I'm also not active that much on Instagram as well. Everywhere on social media, my parents, my family, and everyone was not that super well because of the weather. Nothing else. We tried. We saw doctors and everything. So first, my dadi caught the viral fever. She always does during monsoon. Like the immunity is like super low. This time, luckily, oh my god, touch wood, I didn't felt sick with the weather change, but my dadi did first. And since my mom was like kind of serving her and all that, she got in touch with her and she also got the viral fever. Then my mom and dadi were sick for like a week. So all the housework and everything was on me. So I did all the cleaning, cooking, and everything else. And yeah, it was like Mother's Day, but it was just not getting over. So I was like super busy with the housework. That's why I was missing. And yeah, I know most of you do understand, but just in case if you don't, please just excuse me. Um, I need to put my family as my priority before my career. So that's there. Anyway, so I got this new camera, and the next clips that you'll see is from my old camera where the voice is like horrible. Okay, let me just say that it's horrible. But I hope you guys can hear a little bit here and there. And I don't wanna like just mute it because the excitement of opening a new camera is there. Maybe I can do a voiceover, but I think that will sound super fake. So I'll stick to the old audio so also you guys can see how bad it was and how badly I needed a new camera. Anyway, the intro is done. I need to start the vlog, actual vlog now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with it. Yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh my god, it's heavy. The camera. So it came with a carry pouch, I think. First, let's go ahead and see the camera. So it's the Canon M50. So first we have the user manual. Then we have a memory card. This is 16 GB. Then we have the warranty card, camera straps, or battery charger. And then we have the camera itself. Hi baby! Oh, new baby is here. So use the battery and get extra battery soon. And finally we have the lens. But yeah, basically it's in now and it's locked. So I'm just gonna switch my camera now. And I really wanted to do this transition because I saw a lot of people try it and I just thought it would be like that kind of cool. Anyway, never mind. Let's go ahead and see what the vlog looks like from that camera. So right now it's handheld like camera from my hand, and the fan is on a little on slow mode. Let's go ahead and see how this looks from my new camera. What's up, you guys? Hello from my new vlogging camera. It has a mic on, so I hope you can hear me nice and clear. And yeah, it's definitely heavier. My hand will get tired, but it will be a nice workout. And hopefully, my hands will get strong enough after using this. But mostly, I'll be using tripods like I always do because, like, steady shots and all. So yeah, what do you guys think? Like, I'm sorry, I'm just kind of like getting used to the entire feel of like having the viewfinder here and not up there, and like yeah, it's just a really weird feeling. I like the colors. I think the colors are better on this camera, and this camera also has 4K. That means nice cinematic travel vlogs can come if I get to travel. Anyway, I have few packages from Amazon that I think I should unbox. Mostly there's like food inside, so I'll do unboxing of that and share with you guys also like, oh my god, this color, I am loving the quality. So like I need to look presentable on this camera now because like it's way too clear, and if I ever have breakouts, it will be very much visible. So, yeah. Not that you guys mind anything, but like, yeah, just for my own sake. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open the packages from Amazon first. I don't even think I need to color correct now. Like, the colors are so nice and bright. Like, you can see the shadows properly and everything. So, I'm just like, yeah, super excited about it. Anyway, let's go ahead. This is like the pantry. No, not pantry. This is Amazon Fresh order. So they also have this thing called Amazon Fresh, and pantry is different, and then fresh is different. So yeah, never mind. First thing we got is Ragi Flour for my mom, not for me. I don't really like that taste. Then we have some little hearts. Then we have Maggie yummy capsicum. I still need to try the tomato flavor. I'll try it right now after doing this unboxing thing. And then we have protein eggs. Oh my god, I am gonna have this after so long. We also have one more little heart. Like there's like 3 packs in total. And second last thing we have is my toothpaste. TMI, I use the sparkling white toothpaste from Himalaya. And then we have, oh yeah, the vegetarian Maggi masala cube. So you can put this in your sabzi and all, and it will make it better. I'll try it out and let you guys know how it is exactly. Then I have some home decor stuff here, which I think I'll unbox, or I'll show you guys in one of the next vlog that's coming up soon on my channel. I'm like kind of redoing my room, so get excited about it. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so over here, as usual, in this big box we have this one small thing, and that is also for 40 bucks. Okay, like this came for 40 rupees. This is the vermicelli sevaiya basically from MTR. What a box for this small thing. And then we have this huge, oh my god, it's so heavy. Ouch. This huge box. So here we have, oh, it's all mama stuff, like mommy stuff, not mine. Two things that I can show you is the Baggeries fruit muesli. I love this. So just to have this with milk in the morning, it's nice. And then we have brown rice. I don't really like white rice anymore. Like I eat more brown rice. So got that, 1 kg of that, and that is basically it. We also got, yeah, this hand soap. It's very much needed. And then we have Ariel and like floor cleaner and all that. So ignoring that, move on. Let's go ahead and make some Maggie to celebrate our new vlogging camera. Let's go. Okay, do you guys see the depth of field? It's kind of like creating. I'm not sure if it is, but I think it is like more than my usual vlogging camera thing. Anyway, I have a little bit of that kitchen work to do. I need to arrange the utensils back to its place. Then we'll go ahead and make Maggie. So enjoy this little footage of time lapse kind of thing. I don't know what to call it exactly, but yeah. Look at this tiny spoon, chotu spoon that I have. Uh, this is actually from my toys. I had this, I used to play with this when I was a child. But now my mom uses it for the chili garlic paste. Chili garlic? Chili ginger paste. Huh, sorry. Okay guys, so we are back here. It's like a pile of clothes which I need to arrange. I kept it after shooting for some Instagram videos, reels basically, and then my mom got sick. I thought I'll do it the next day, and the next day my mom got sick, so I got busy with my housework and all. Please don't mind, we'll clean it soon. Also this boo. And we are gonna try out this. It smells like tomato soup, like so badly. When I was making it, I am now actually craving for tomato soup. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this. Also, I didn't add any extra spice in this. Okay, so it has a lot of that tomato soup taste, and I am not liking the aftertaste. There's like this little chip-chippa kind of, not chip-chippa exactly. I don't know how to exactly explain that. Maggie, roll Maggie is 10 on 10. Then this is definitely 7.5 out of 10. Guys, sachi bata rahi hu. I am still completely unable to find original Maggie anywhere, not even online, not even offline. So I don't know, man. Like, Maggie, where are the packets? Loco. Guys, new
window!
travel here.
My God. ऊपर गए ऊपर सामने मार ए विंडो बंद करो जल्दी जल्दी
Animal safari, zoo, live from home in lockdown. Not sure if you guys can see, but there is one right there. I can't zoom in more. Goodness. What do you think of my new camera?
See, I don't know regarding the camera style, but it's look like little bit fancy. Screen is also is comparatively very high quality. Let's see. I don't know how to operate it, but once I get used to it, definitely I'll give my best comment.
So yeah, that was the vlog. Now last week I also promised you guys to upload a recipe which I made like 3 weeks ago or so, and it's still pending and I still have the footage and I don't want to waste it. It's super yummy and I really want to share it with you guys. So yeah, here's a footage of that from my old camera. This is so confusing. Old camera, new camera. It's like Inception Dark or whatever. So finally, after God knows maybe 3 months, more than that actually, I am finally having bread. And my dad found this 2 kilometers away from my place. So it's really not available in my place, but we found it, and also it's like well packed and all, so I'm happy about that. Anyway, I'll heat it up, so not an issue. But today we are making dabeli, not pav bhaji. I just find it easy. It may not be easy for some of you, but I think it's okay for a beginner cook. So let's get started with this. And yeah, I was also craving for tabbouleh super badly. So let's go. So first you're gonna start by mashing boiled potatoes. You definitely don't need so much. Just take like 4 or 5. Then add oil to a pan and then add an imli chutney and date chutney, like meetha chutney. Just mix them, then add in the boiled potatoes, sorry. And then add in the dabeli masala. Now, this is ready-made, available in your local stores. You just have to like kind of ask for it. And also, the amount of dabeli masala that you have to add depends on different brands. So just read the packet carefully. Also make sure the mixture is nicely mixed and there are no lumps. Then just spread the mixture on a plate and let it cool for some time. And also don't forget to top it with some pomegranate seeds, coconut if you have, and then peanuts, like masala peanuts, and coriander. Then just let it cool for some time. Then take the bread and slice it from the middle and apply sweet chutney and spicy garlic chutney. Then take a spoon of the dabeli mixture and add that, followed by some chopped onions, raw onions, and followed by the dabeli mixture again. And that's basically it. Then just take a pan, heat up some butter, and just kind of toast the dabeli. Once that is done, then take it out and coat the dabeli with save and some pomegranate seeds. And that is basically it. Enjoy your dabeli. And with that, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here itself. It was really different because I had to like sit down and talk again because of my old camera's audio. It sucks, I know, but I'm so glad I got this camera. The audio here is amazing. Like my voice is completely different here, and I'm super happy about it. By the way, if you guys are wondering, I'm using the Rode micro mic. I'll link the camera and the mic in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog now. Bye.